but got a little more progress on the treehouse. I think I got the sides pretty much complete now, how I want them. Got this little window here built, semi door frame there, ready to go. Got this sides done now. I tried to make a, sun's right now. Try to make a different window shape on every side, so that's why they're all different by design. Sun's rough right now. It's noon right now, April. I cleaned up all the stuff around here. Just one little pile. There's the real pile from all the limbs I had to cut off these branches, or excuse me, logs. So, bottom here, you could have a little play area underneath here if they want. Second fort. That's the top of it. Now I just got to do the roof now. I've been putting that off for days because it requires a ladder and measuring stuff. I don't really like that. Everything that's on there right now, well, I measured it, but just like roughly, and then cut it with a chainsaw. Everything up there I've done using just the chainsaw. So it's almost ready though. Hopefully I'm gonna finish it today and let you see what it looks like. Oh, but earlier I said that you could put a hammock in here. There's the proof. It's not that big in here, but it's big enough, huh? You can walk around. And yeah, I just gotta get the roof on. Sweet view though. Normally, you can't really see it right now. Kind of cloudy. But right there, you can see. That's Mount Lassen. But yeah, so he's got a cool little view. And then I left that like a little natural hole in there. And the roof will cover that part, but this view out there. We can see him out of our house window. Here's the main view. My new turkey hunting blind. I'm gonna sit in here and get a turkey. This little swing over there, I already built that a while ago. But, all right, so we'll be back with more progress. It's a few hours later and a lot of cuss words. And I got the roof on there though. It was not easy. It probably took me like 4 hours to do that, and I would not say it's perfect. But like, I got a triangle house here and none of the sides are the same length, so kind of hard to make it perfect, but it's pretty good though. Not bad for my first treehouse log cabin. I'm impressed. Still got some more details to do now. Gotta do the entrance way. Gotta make some kind of little stairs and a door thing. And probably some more stuff on the inside here. Oh yeah, it feels more like a house in here now. A roof job. I got to touch it up with white. I had everything pre-painted before I put it on. So, yeah, not bad. See, can we see Mount Lassen yet? Oh, there it is.